Hi and welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Steve and today I'm going to show you around this stunning Kawasaki ZX10R. This is a 2016 bike on a 16 plate. As you can probably tell already, it's got an aftermarket graphics kit. This is based on the world's superbikes, which does really set the bike off well. As you can see from here, it's got the wavy disc, which is an optional extra. It's coming into the bike. As you can see, it's got an Akrapovic aftermarket exhaust, also a little tail tidy, and the screen on this is aftermarket as well. Let's go around the bike now, show you the condition of it. It is in really nice condition, really well looked after bike. All the tyres are looking good nick. All of that is all checked as part of our PDI, as well as the chains on the sprockets. As you can see, it's got a dark tint screen on the front. And again, this side, very tidy still. As you can see here at the back, a few nice little carbon fibre bits. So we've got the carbon fibre chain guard, rear hugger, and obviously your heel guards for your boots. This is a really nice bike. Panning up to the top now. As you can see, it comes with an Olin steering dampener as standard, adjustable forks. I'm just going to turn it on for you. So it's done 7,473 miles. Let's give it a start up. As you can hear, the bike's got absolutely fantastic tone to it from the Akrapovic exhaust. It really does give it a nice grumble. So that's it from me. We've got live chat, WhatsApp, all the social medias. Pop into the showroom, try the bike on for size, or just have a chat and a coffee. Cheers.